Instagram viral photo grid repost trending on Instagram edit. So now guys, as you can see here, this is a photo grid edit that is going trending on Instagram. It looks so cool and amazing. So if you want to make this, what you need to do is that go to the description box of this video. You will get to see the link of this profile, and come to this repost section, and then here what you need to do, here we have 12 grids of this Virat Kohli photo. So now first of all, what you need to do, you have to click on the first last one, okay, bottom right corner one, this one, okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so guys, first you have to click here, and then here you can see repost option. Simply you need to click on this repost, and then after this come back second, this one, then it will automatically create a photo grid. It will automatically create a photo grid, and then it will look like this. It looks so amazing, you can see. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Just go down to this video description, go to this Instagram profile, and go to this repost, and then you can repost from here. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.